the ear of the court. It is a dangerous procedure.
Mr. Bloom, I'm going to stop you because what are you talking about?
I'm talking about the transcripts from 3-6, Your Honor, where you stated you had notes, you stated you had a phone call from ex parte communicators.
No, that was regarding your dental?
Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Mr. Bloom, who is present.
Okay, what are we doing today?
Your Honor, I'm going to be asking the court to set this for the final settlement conference. I know there's one in August.
Welcome back to the wildest courtroom on YouTube. Today, we've got Mr. Bloom, a defendant who thinks he can outsmart the system by arguing everything, even discovery itself. Watch closely because this isn't just a legal battle, it's a meltdown in slow motion. From demanding transcripts to ranting about dental records to accusing the judge of misconduct, Bloom throws it all at the wall. But here's the thing, in court, drama doesn't beat discipline. Stick around because this is about to spiral into one of the most chaotic showdowns you'll ever see.
Both of those proceedings are in person.
I'll let you go.
I was going to try to get you. I was going to try to get you out of the room. Bloom, I was trying to get you out of the room before you said anything. You knew what I was doing. That's why your finger went up.
At least I'm not driving with a suspended license.
I have no comment.
Okay. 2 times now I've let it go. Remember?
Let what go?
I said enjoy the day, enjoy your horse, all that. So I let it go. The time before that I let it go. But Your Honor, today I need to put something on the record. I was very serious.
Put something on the record all the time. Go ahead.
Did you catch that?
Okay.
The judge is calmly laying out dates, trying to move this along. But Bloom can't resist. He jumps in, finger wagging, eager to grab the spotlight. This is classic courtroom arrogance, when defendants think they're the star of the show. But here's the problem. The more you talk when the judge wants order, the more rope you hand them to hang you with. And Bloom? He's already wrapping the noose.
Has the discovery been requested, Mr.?
Yeah.
Hold. This is why. Listen, Mr. Bernstein. Discovery referencing Judge.
Hospital report that Deputy Soyring says there was a hospital report. There was. I'm wondering how this case was even brought about, Your Honor, because.
Okay, Mr. Bloom.
There was never a report.
Mr. Bloom.
Okay, I'll let it go.
Because you keep asking me questions you know I can't necessarily answer.
Okay, let me get on with the real stuff.
Oh, okay.
For transcripts.
No,
I still haven't received the transcripts.
Of what?
3-6. Remember I asked for the transcripts?
Here we go again. Bloom is hammering the table about missing transcripts. 3 months, no delivery, total outrage. But the judge points out something obvious. You want transcripts? File the request the right way. It's legal 101, but Bloom would rather play victim than follow procedure. And when you start turning clerical delays into conspiracy theories, that's when judges start losing patience fast.
Okay, well, this is my assistance of counsel, just like Ms. Barroso has assistants and you have assistants.
I don't have assistants. I have individuals that I work for that are professionals, so I don't know what you have. But
I don't professional for real.
But go ahead.
I can clarify what Jeff's talking about. I ordered an audio recording of that hearing, and someone in my office we did a transcription of it for Jeff. But I think what he wants me to request is an actual transcript, and I just didn't.
And so they can do that, pay for it, and I'm sure it will be accomplished. But if we haven't received a written request for that, then that won't happen. So,
thank you. Well, I ain't gonna go through all this. I just need to put a little bit on record. For transcripts from 10-4, you stated that you believe everything a Washtenaw County Sheriff 22. Washtenaw County Sheriff Deputy says is true. And you believe everything a Washtenaw County Sheriff's Deputy says.
Hold on a second. What are you reading to me right now?
Something that I want to state on record, Your Honor.
No, but what you're obviously stating what somebody else said. I'm just trying to figure out where it's coming from.
You said.
On the 24th of...
No, on 10-4 of 22.
Now Bloom goes full nuclear. He's reading his own notes back to the judge, quoting old hearings like a wannabe lawyer. This is the courtroom equivalent of throwing a fit on Yelp reviews. Dramatic, messy, and missing the point. He's not cross-examining evidence. He's trying to cross-examine the judge. And trust me, that never
You were
ends
also
well.
misled on 9/13, 10/4, and 11/7.
Mr. Bloom, is this in regard to your other matter?
This is regard to everything.
Well, no, it can't be in regard to everything. It's got to be in regard to your other matter because this didn't start. No, stop. This case didn't start until 10/18. So if you're referring to a record from another case,
Then I'm past that.
then you're past what?
I'm past the other case. Here we go. This is this case. Canon 2, Canon 2A, Canon 3, which in part reads, a judge shall not initiate, permit, or consider ex parte communications or consider other communications concerning a pending or impending matter that are made outside the party's presence or their lawyer's presence. Canon 3A4B in part reads, not only is it a gross breach of the appearance of justice when the defendant's principal adversaries are given private access to the ear.
Did you hear that? Bloom's now lecturing the judge on judicial ethics, quoting canons like he's running the Supreme Court. This is beyond bold. It's pure chaos. No judge is going to sit back while a defendant accuses them of secret phone calls and ex parte conspiracies. At this point, the tension's boiling. You can practically see the judge's patience snapping.
Yes.
Yeah,
That was a motion we filed.
No, but that has nothing to do with the case.
But I mentioned that on
And
other cases you did that.
Mr. Bloom, no, Mr. Bloom,
You don't
because
wanna
if you're
hear
going to, you don't want to hear, I don't. Because what
know.
you're saying is incorrect.
Okay.
I had a communication.
All right.
I disclosed that to the parties because it came to the court's attention, not by the court doing it, that there was something regarding the dental work. I don't know what it was about the dental work.
There were other matters you did the same thing, Your Honor. I'm not contacting.
Goodbye.
Boom.
Goodbye,
The judge has had enough. Watch closely. The tone changes from controlled to done. Bloom tries to drag dental records and outside communications into this case, and the judge cuts him off cold. This is the turning point. The court stops listening, and Bloom officially talks his way into the exit door. And just like that, it's over. Bloom pushed too far, ran too long, and the judge shut him down with a single word. Goodbye. No shouting match, no debate, just the gavel's final word. This is the ultimate courtroom lesson. When you treat the judge like your sparring partner, you don't win the fight. You get escorted out. If you found this meltdown as jaw-dropping as we did, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insane courtroom showdowns. You won't want to miss the next one.